your Bekus dry well.
Allow me sleep. Now they tell you.
How be say person go dey marry no go wife?
Dry. The Bekus dry, your bola no go fit enter. Your bola self na small bola. You no go fit still enter.
Your man make the bola swim inside the Bekus. Allow me knock. You dey tell me another thing.
Opposite is small. You no still enter. So tell me how you want to enter. You don't increase the bola.
Guys, my wife is sleeping. I want to go and tell her that we should knock so that I will see her reaction. I never knock. I never knock. I won't go wake them up. So guys, I will look for one and hide the camera. You know, the room is dark though. So I'll look for one and hide the camera so that I will do it. Babe. Oh, go on. Babe.
What now?
I won't knock.
Sleep, I beg.
I won't knock now.
Please, please, please. I want to sleep.
Bekus for me, man.
Stop now. Why did you like
now?
this? Knock wetin. Wetin you want knock?
Wetin dey dey knock?
Bekus when you know the feel access now you want knock. I beg you allow me sleep.
You calm down now. I won't try am again now, babe. Baby now, I'm gonna knock now. Why you do like this now? Man, just put the cap. Man, see. You know say we don't dey use all those sweetener for your toto.
Allow me sleep. I beg you.
Babe now, calm down now. Man, knock. Babe now, you listen to me now.
Allow me sleep now. Which kind of wahala be this? What should be made with knock? My toto dry now. Why you want to knock?
Why you dey shout? Na night now. See me
Now
dey shout.
the Bekus wey no dey wait. Now you want knock? Abi which one? You want mock me?
Calm down.
No, now you
I
want
know
laugh
say
at
the
me now.
Bekus not dey wet, but at least if you use Bekus, now no be you drink okra this morning.
You allow me now. Still dey drink. I still dey on treatment. Now you go knock. This night you go knock again. Tomorrow you go dey shout for me say my Bekus dry. Now so you do the other day.
No, I no go shout
I
your
no
Bekus dry.
Allow me sleep. I beg.
Oh God.
Allow me sleep. Oh. Now you dey make me dey shout now. The Femuna will come here. They will come dey use her dey laugh.
Femu no dey hear anything. I say man just put the cap.
I won't sleep. You no go come here. Make you sleep your own. Put the cap. Which cap?
Yeah,
I
man.
beg go with your cockroach cap. Oh. Leave me. Oh.
Yeah, man, use my hand do am like this. Man, do am. Man, finger am.
No
Man, see
need.
whether I go wet.
No need.
Make I see whether it
My
go
Bekus
wet.
dry. No need for you to use hand do anything for there. Bekus when you know say you no go fit put cap. Wetin your hand won't go there go do. Come on, respect
So
yourself.
how many nights we don't
Sleep.
we never knock? How you dey comfortable say we never knock? Are you comfortable?
But you know wetin dey happen now. Why will I explain? I will be explaining myself every night. I'm tired though. Which one be you wan knack and you know say I dey on treatment to make my Bekus bring water for you?
You test am, you see whether the thing the Bekus go wet.
You never reach. You never reach. I give you. I say you never reach. I dey
How
on
you dey know
treatment.
say you never reach when we never knock?
I don tell you. Allow me sleep this night.
I won't knock now.
Oh yeah, knack one now.
Which one be say man knock one? I go knock one when I get my wife.
Go knack Paco or you do something make you sleep. Abeg.
Babe, my knock. Babe now.
Stand up from this room, give you. Only you go sleep for this room.
No,
Only you
now.
go sleep for this room. Which kind
Come
of
now,
problem
wetin
be
be
this
this
now?
one now? Allow me knock now.
Why you go dey disturb me like this night? Are you
So
on
I no
mission?
fit knock.
Are you on mission?
Why am I on mission? How? Can I no knock?
But since I go tell you say I'm not dey in the mood, you go leave me. Since I go tell you say you no go fit knack the Bekus, you go leave me. Now they tell you no one gree.
I go vex comot for the room. I dey tell you something you no go
Me
hear
sef I
well.
go vex comot.
Abeg, I comot for here. I dey tell you say your Bekus dry. Your Bekus dry. You dey talk say your Bekus dry. Then I no know say your Bekus dry when I dey tell you say I wan knack.
You be madman.
I no tell you say your Bekus dry well.
Allow me sleep. Now they tell you.
How be say person go dey marry no go wife?
Dry. The Bekus dry. Your bola no go fit enter. Your bola self na small bola. You no go fit still enter.
Your man make the bola swim inside the Bekus. Allow me knack. You dey tell me another thing.
Opposite is small. You no still enter. So tell me how you want to enter. You don't increase the bola. Abi you don't make am small.
You dey laugh me say my bola small be
just like the
wetin?
way you dey laugh me say my Bekus dry. Abeg na night we dey. Na night we dey.
Abeg get out from here. You know I know say that. You dey comot. Imagine person wey marry dey comot for this. Oh God. I know say like this my wife go do. I know she was not gonna accept. See what I'm facing. My wife no dey agree allow me do. because it because dry. So,